I have been loving making keto-friendly snacking foods because it's football season and you need snacks when you watch football. It's the American way, right? So today I'm making my keto-friendly cheese sauce for you. Let's get straight into that recipe. The first thing you're going to do is add your avocado oil or your coconut oil if you don't have avocado oil into a saucepan. Is it saucepan or saucepan? I always say pin. Let me know how you say it in the comments. I've always been confused by that. Then you're going to add in your butter. Then turn it up to about a medium to high heat so the butter completely melts. Once the butter has completely melted and the sides are starting to bubble up a little bit, you're going to whisk it and pour a little bit of cream in at a time. Make sure you whisk while you pour. Now that the bubbles are forming, you're going to turn it back up to about a medium heat, then add in your cubed cream cheese. Make sure you still continue to whisk throughout this entire process. That's super important. You don't want it to burn on the bottom. That would be so gross. Now that the cream cheese has fully melted, you're going to slowly add in your mozzarella while, you guessed it, still stirring. If you notice that your cheese sauce is a little bit clumpy, you can add in more cream and this will just help smooth it all out. Just make sure you're nicely whisking it all together as you go. Now, once your cheese sauce is completely done, you're going to sprinkle in some salt. You can have as much or as little as you'd like, depending on your taste. Another thing I really love to do is flavor it. Sometimes I like to put in some rosemary, sometimes some garlic powder, and if I'm feeling really fancy, I like to add in some chives. It's all super delicious. Anyway, I really hope you enjoyed this recipe. Please remember to like this video, comment on this video if you have any future video suggestions for me, or even if you just want to say hi. I love to talk to you guys. And please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Anyway, I hope you have a great day. See you later.